Hi, I'm Dara. A few weeks ago, I reorganized my knitting stash, and then I made a video about the dark side of stashing. One of the other things my knitting stash inspired me to do, or spending time with my stash, is to reflect on the projects I've made in the past. I thought today I would compile a slideshow of the photographs that I have kept and show you some of the knits I've made for myself. Some haven't turned out. Some don't fit me anymore because my size has changed in the past few years. And some I do still get a lot of use out of. It's helped me feel really good about the amount of projects that I've made and to reflect back on how much I enjoyed making those and how much enjoyment I got out of gifting those. And even some of the stuff that hasn't turned out that I still have in my closet, I learned from it and I'm still keeping it. I'm going to share them in a slideshow next. so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.